this video, I'm gonna teach you how to convert Canva website to Shopify. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. With the use of a specific plugin, you will be able to easily convert your Canva website design and input it into Shopify. You can make modifications later, and all that you have to do is first set up your Canva design. Make sure that everything is good to go, and you will need to acquire the public link. So when you go over to the share option, make sure that you copy the public view link. This design is being shared publicly. Anyone with this link will be able to view it. So copy this particular link so other people can see it. Once you have the link for your Canva website copied, you can go over to Shopify. What you have to do is add a new application, so click on Add Apps at the bottom, and then you will see Shopify App Store here. So go to the Shopify App Store. In here, look for Canvafy. So this is the application that you need to look for. In this app, Canva Page Builder will allow us to import it into Shopify. Now, I need to make it very clear, you will be given a free trial. However, you will need to pay a subscription to use this app later. I cannot confirm if there are other free alternatives in this video, but I know that Canvafy, even though it has a cost, is a wonderful tool that will allow you to convert your Canva website with ease. So make sure that you download Canvafy, and once you have it available, like I said before, it is going to require a subscription. But to actually use it, go over to the Canvafy option at the left side of the screen. So just like any other application, you will find it available at the left. And once you choose Canvafy, go to the Pages function. Inside of Pages, you will be able to create a new one. So choose the option to create a new page, and it is going to ask you for the Canva link. This is the public view link that you copied, so paste it here. With that done, you can give it any title, choose the option to publish the page, and you will be good to go. You can also use the import button here. So once you have the link properly pasted here, your page will be imported. Once it is imported, you will find it available under Online Store or your specific page, and then Pages, and it is going to appear as the Canva design here. If you choose the Canva design from this list, what it is going to tell you is that because it is a Canvafy page, you need to update this page from the Canvafy app. So keep that in mind. If you want to make changes to this later, use the Canvafy app instead. You can use the view page function at the top, and if you want to modify this, just use the plugin under the Pages section. I hope I was able to help you on how to convert Canva website to Shopify. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.